Is AI going to take a tester's job away? What's your answer to this?
So is AI going to take my job? No. Is AI going to take a job of a tester who is just clicking buttons? Yes. Will AI take the job of so-called exploratory testers who are just twiddling thumbs? Yes. Any good tester who knows how to test an application need not worry about their job being taken away by AI or anything. Because I've been now in this industry for 2 decades, 2.5 decades. When I actually started out as a developer. I'm not sure how many of you know. I actually started out as a Java developer. I did Java development for 3, 4 years before moving to testing on choice because the era when I was doing development, India only got AMS project, so it was only cut, copy, paste, no real development, right? But I've been hearing about it for the last 2 decades that automation will take away testers' job, automation will replace manual testers. The number of manual testers or the number of testers, I would say, I don't like the word manual testers, the number of testers has only increased in the last 2 decades, not decreased because of automation. Everyone has a very, very different role to play. But if you are a tester who's only clicking buttons, if you are a tester who's only going by user stories and not bringing any value beyond that, then yes, you will lose the job.